I'm gonna tell you how to make popcorn with corn. Let's begin. First, you're gonna need a frying pan like this one or like any of that ones first. Then you're gonna turn on the flame, medium. Then you have to need butter or oil. Canola oil is best for this. Then gotta put this right. Take this. I'm gonna put the phone over here. You can't see my face. I'm not doing it faster than 1,000 subscribers. Now, after it's done, put it in the frying pan. Take the butter. Listen. Now you gotta put the corn in. These are okay. Now you're gonna need salt. Hurry. You gotta open it. Take a pinch and now you're gonna take a. Now you're gonna. Now you need a dhakkan. Now just put it, and you see. Now they're gonna start getting made. Let's continue. Now go to mix it like that. Good. Now you can hear the voices. You can see these are done. Sick. And now let's get the bowl. Okay, now let's just get the plate. Let's just get something. Let's just get the bowl. I'm gonna put it in now. Just gonna put it in. Put the good. No. Okay, the video is finished. Bye bye.